This is the new Fujifilm X-E5. And like the X-M5 and the X-T50, it's got a film simulation dial. And here, it's just recessed into the top plate there with a window. And when we turn it, we can see on the back all the film simulation modes with all of our favourites: classic chrome, real ace, acros. And we have 3 custom positions, and now we can put recipes in here. Let me show you how. So we press menu, go down to film simulation dial setting, turn on the recipe, and then we change any of these settings to make our recipe. And that's how it's done.